It started with an ancient typewriter. Each keystroke revealed a buried sorrow. The page became filled with haunting phrases. I typed more quickly, trying to flee the encroaching terror. Every character unearthed recollections, faces of those I had lost, their gazes imploring for retribution. I sensed their anguish flow through my fingertips, anchoring me to reality. Ultimately, the device dictated my destiny, locking my guilt in place forever. Want more spooky stories? Subscribe, comment, and like.